Here I have Mercedes Vito, and let me show you how to reset, how to remove pin from the system of this car. Let's begin. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's swipe to the left until you see the settings. From the settings, let's select here the system tab right here. Then let's use this left menu and select the data protection. Under data protection, choose here system pin. Under system pin, let's select change settings. So now you need to enter your old pin. In my case it's 111, tap OK. And that's it. Right now you just remove your pin. If you would like to add a new pin, let's tap change pin, and then you need to enter new pin twice. And if you leave it like that, you will use your car without any pin. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.